Hello everyone. So today we will learn the Python in a while loop. So let's start. While loop is to execute a block of statements represently until a given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. So we can check this in an example way with the syntax. So syntax is like while loop expression we are mentioning here, or we can mention like condition and statements whatever we want to print. So example, I is equals to 0 while I less than 5. It means 0 is less than 5. This condition is satisfied. Then I is print 0. So we are storing here I plus is equal to 1. We are mentioning here assessment operator. So I's value is now 1 and we already print here 0. Okay, so its loop going again in a while. I's value right now is 1 less than 5. So print I means what? We are having the 1 value because here we already store that one. That's why again we came here and now it's I plus 1. It means we having already I value is 1 and we are storing plus 1 again, then it will be the 2 value. So I less than 5, it means 2 less than 5 is it's true condition, then it will be the go in a print I. So here printing the 2. Again same loop is happens after the when it's come I is 4 plus 1, it means 5. Then I is less than 5, it means both are equal, not a less than. That's the reason it will be the stop there while loop, and they didn't print anything, they are stop only on that condition. So we can check in next example, like I is equals to while I less than 5. We are taken here one if condition to better understanding. So I is equals to 2. We are printing banana count is I. Else part we are printing print other count I, and similar way we are increment the values like I is plus is equal to 1. It means assessment operator we are used here. So output is coming like count, other count is 0, other count is 1, banana count is 2. It means when loop is looping 1 2 3 4 5 6 times, then when they are found I equal to 2, then only they are print here banana count. So 2 is showing here. Others is like other count is 3 and other count is 4, and after the condition is not satisfied false, then only they are looping is stop there. So we can check these things in a practical way also. So next let's start the coding. So we can take a one variable here like I is equals to 0, and we can type here like while loop I is less than 5 and colon double colon. So we will type here like print I, and we can type here I plus is equals to 1. So this condition is satisfied or not, or how it's work the while loop we can check here. Like we can use here python main.py and check. Yeah, it's showing us 0 1 2 3 4 like this. So this will be the showing us good results using the while loop. This is the way to use while loop. We can try like this way also. Suppose 2 I am typing here, then and type here like 10. So we can take like 20. So what happened? We can check python main.py and it's showing us the table of 2, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6, something like that. So I need to put here 1 and I need to put here like less than is equal to 20, then only it's showing us the good result like this way, not here 0. Yeah, it's showing us good result like 2 to the 4 or 2 to the 6, 2 to the 8 and 20 like this way. So this is the different types of practicals we can do in a future videos for the more understanding the while loop. But now only we are doing some small cases. So I will take again while I is equals to 0 and we can type here while I is less than 5 and we can do here like if I is equals to 2, then print like banana count and we provide them I, and else part we can type here else like print other count. So it will be the showing us the result. So I will type here I plus is equal to 1 with the assessment operator. So let's check with the python main.py and yes, it's showing us the similar results like banana count 2. So this will be the practical. We can do the multiple practicals with the while and if condition with the another switch conditions also we can use in a while in the next videos. So keep enjoying and do the fun with the python. So thank you so much.